Dear students, today I would like to discuss about adverbial clauses. Subordinate adverbial clauses. Adverbial clauses of number 1 manner পদ্ধতি manner. She ran as fast as she could. It's a complex sentence here. She ran principal clause as fast as she could. We know that there are two elements of a clause, whether it is principal clause or subordinate clause or coordinate clause. Here in principal clause, subject she ran finite verb. It's a clause. As fast as she could. It's adverbial clause of manner. It's adverbial clause as this clause modifies verb. This clause modifies verb, so it is adverbial clause. And what are the elements of this clause? Here she is subject and finite verb could run. Here finite verb could run and run verb is silent here. She subject could run finite verb. So it's a clause. It's adverbial clause as it modifies verb run. Subordinate adverbial clause of manner. Number 2, place. জায়গা. He went where he was born. Where he was born is subordinate adverbial clause as it modifies verb went. Adverbial clause. Here subject he was born finite verb. These are two elements of this adverbial clauses. Manner, place. Number 3, time. সময়. The clock alarms when it is 7 a.m. This clause indicates time when it is 7 and it modifies the verb alarm, so it's adverbial clause. It's adverbial clause of time. Number 4, cause or reason. Subordinate adverbial clause of cause. কারণ. He could not attend classes as he was ill. as he was ill, subordinate adverbial clause of cause. It modifies verb attend, so it's adverbial clause. He could not attend the class, there is a cause that he was ill. As he was ill, he could not attend the classes, so it's subordinate adverbial clause of cause or reason. Number 5, effect or result or consequence. ফল বা প্রভাব, subordinate adverbial clause of result or effect or consequence. He is so weak that he cannot walk. সে এত দুর্বল যে চলাচল করতে পারে না। That he cannot walk. This clause modifies the word weak. That he cannot walk. This clause modifies adjective word weak, so it's adverbial clause. Number 6, purpose উদ্দেশ্য he studied hard. He studied hard so that, or in order that, or that he might or could pass, so that or in order that he might or could pass. It's subordinate adverbial clause of purpose. As there is a purpose to pass. Number 6, Number 7, subordinate adverbial clause of concession. CONCESSION. Concession, স্বীকৃতি। Though he is rich, he is unhappy. Though he is rich, he is unhappy. স্বীকৃতি, concession. Though he is rich, this is subordinate adverbial clause of concession. Usually, rich people are happy. So, this is concession. Though he is rich, he is happy. Here is a concession. Usually, rich people are happy. This is subordinate adverbial clause of concession. Degree degree. Subordinate adverbial clause of degree. He is as active as his brother. Here is principal clause. He is active as his brother. Here is verb silent is. The element of the subordinate clause is subject his brother, finite verb is, and element of principal clause he is. Now number 9, subordinate adverbial clause of comparison. Comparison. It's the use of comparative degree. India is larger than Bhutan. India is larger principal clause, subordinate clause than Bhutan, and here is silent. Here the elements of subordinate clause are subject Bhutan is finite verb, and the elements of principal clause subject India, finite verb is. Now number 10, subordinate adverbial clause of condition. শর্ত. Subordinate adverbial clause of condition. These conditional clauses are divided into 3 groups. Number A, first conditional sentence. First conditional sentence. First conditional sentence. This is also called probable condition. Probable condition. The structure of this condition is subject plus if. This condition usually starts with if plus present plus future or imperative or the use of have to or has to or must would rather oblique had better. And there is also another use of present form, that is if plus present plus present. This is the structure of first conditional sentence. If plus present plus future or imperative, or there may be use of have to, has to, must, would rather, had better, and also present tense. Dear students, we will discuss more about this condition number 10 in details. Thank you all.